everyone. We're gonna stripe. Stripe. I was thinking there was a car that trying to stop. Like why I go for stripe? So again, everyone, we're gonna drive again. We make a part 2 of that driving because my other camera is falling down. So okay, let's not talk too much. So foot brake, drive, because I'm in the dangerous highway. Oh my gosh, they call it dangerous. So press the pedals again. So I like my view in the foot. It's really clear. Thanks to my friend who are helping me out for the angles of my camera. So I'm going to salon today. This area there's a lot of falling rocks here. They construct the road. Time is really fast, so I'm leaving afternoon after lunch. And time check now is 1:03 p.m. here in the area. Then I have to do salon, and I don't know what colors of my nails that I need to do. And also I'm gonna upload all my driving shoes later on that I use for driving. So I didn't do that yet, but then I will make time. Then you can see some photos of my nails and also photos of my foot with different kinds of shoes. So it says, the car says keep distance, so I have to.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.